surprised when we reached out to you? I mean, has that ever happened before the company has said we read your review and we want to talk to you?
I was very surprised. But it was like, oh, sure, I'll talk about it. I'll talk about my washer all day long. I don't typically leave reviews, but after purchasing the Speed Queen and then using the Speed Queen, I felt like I had to leave a review. At first, I wasn't sure that I would like the Speed Queen because it had the agitator in the middle, and I was kind of leaning toward one that didn't. But the agitator is connected to the tub, so there isn't any chance that anything like a hoodie string or straps from something would get wrapped around it. And I haven't had any trouble at all. It's a quiet machine, the cycle goes quickly, the clothes came out clean, and they smelled good. You know, that seems like such a silly thing, but they did. They smelled clean, and they smelled clean when you put them on later. Everything came out nicely and looking nice. To find something that is reasonably priced, is built well, and it's made in America, you just can't get much better than that. I was just so pleased with the product and the value and the quality. I like to purchase something that someone has actually used that I know. Reviews of people that have actually brought the machine home and they're using it in everyday life. A lot of the reviews that I first saw, that was not the case. I wanted to be one of the ones that was able to help people to see that this is a good product and this has worked for me and I'm happy with it.